Some people look at sky and see darkness. Some see stars and some feel something they can't explain. This journal is for all of them. You don't need to love the cosmos to be here. You don't need to understand it. You just need curiosity and the courage to pause. Because the universe isn't only above us, sometimes it waits quietly on a blank page. Today, I'm not just starting a journal, I'm opening a universe. One page, one feeling, one honest moment at a time. And inside here, there's a space to write who this journal belongs to. Instead of writing my name, I'm writing my channel name, Stationery Fest, because this journal is not just for me, it's for all of us watching. I want this journal to feel like a shared room, a calm space, a place where nobody is rushing you. If you are watching this while holding your journal, or even just listening quietly, you belong here. Before anything changes on this page, I always stop for a moment. This pause is important because this is where pressure usually enters, where we start thinking about perfection. Today, we are leaving that outside. This page doesn't need to impress anyone, it only needs honesty. Now that the page is ready, today's video is not about techniques. Today, we are talking about feelings that don't get space in daily life. The quiet heaviness, the thoughts we postpone. Since today is Sunday, let this feel like a slow conversation. No rush, no expectations, just few honest minutes together. I think we come back to journaling when life feels unclear, when emotions pile up, when we don't have words ready. A journal listens without interruption. Not every page has to be beautiful. Some pages are meant to carry weight, and that doesn't ruin the journal. It makes it real. Some days creativity feels natural, and some days it disappears. We don't talk enough about this. Your creativity isn't gone, it's resting. Just like us, it needs pauses. If today all you can do is sit with your journal, that's enough. We live in a world where even hobbies feel demanding. Make it aesthetic, make it productive, make it worth sharing. But journaling doesn't need witnesses. You don't need motivation, you need permission. Permission to stop midway, permission to make mistakes, permission to create only for yourself. If you are watching this and feeling overwhelmed, I see you. If you feel behind in life or creativity, you are not alone. Everyone's journey moves differently. Take a moment and ask yourself, why did I started journaling? To remember, to release, to heal. Tell me, tell me in the comments, what does journaling mean to you right now? This Cosmo Journal series is not about perfect spreads. It's about slow Sundays, quiet thoughts, pages that feel like deep breaths. Some days we'll talk, some days we will stay quiet, some days the page will stay unfinished. And that's completely okay because this series is about presence, not pressure. As this page slowly comes together, I hope This video felt like rest, like a pause you don't know you needed. If this video made you feel calm, understood, or inspired, I would really love to know. Leave a comment and tell me what you felt while watching. And if you enjoyed this kind of journaling talk, please like this video. It really helps my channel reach more people who need this calm space. You can also subscribe to Stationery Fest if you want to be part of more slow journaling conversations. This page is only the beginning. Many more pages, talks, and quiet moments are coming. The complete Cosmo Journal series is coming soon. Until then, take care of yourself, drink some water, rest if you need to, and remember, your universe is allowed to move slowly.